Hello friends, welcome back. Today we're going to apply the default Bootstrap button style. I did it in the last one. Today we're going to do it again. Bootstrap has another button class called button default. Apply both the button and the button default classes to each of your button elements. You should apply the button class to each of your button elements. You should apply the button default class to each of your button elements. Okay, cool. So this might be kind of tricky for some people because if you don't write Bootstrap all the time, this might be kind of tricky. But the way you want to do it is go button, button, default. You put them both on the same one. Button default btn-default. That's what it looks like, really. That's all that's going on right now. And then, so yeah, just apply this class to each button. There we go. And yeah, it only looks good if you fill it in, but they're not asking you to fill it in. So you actually don't need to write, one in here. Yeah, if you were, if we were working on a project together, I would ask that you had them all separated like this so that it'd be easy to see. It's like, okay, there's the button, button, button. You can work your way through here, If you were writing the code, you could just be like 1, 2. You see how it's easy to add to and subtract from? I like to just set my code up so it's just elegant and simple to understand. And I think that that's a useful thing for you guys, especially at this level, because if you get in the habit of writing clean code now, it'll make all your projects in the future more successful. So thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next video.